This is the Lamzu Maya, and today we're going to do a quick unboxing and first impressions video. The box is pretty similar to all other Lamzu Mayas. We get this book-shaped box with Mayan theme on it, which has two compartments, one with additional stuff like skates, grips and so on, and one with the mouse. This is the cloud gray color, and I've got to say it looks really nice in person, very toned down and timeless with black accents on the wheel and side buttons. The shape is very similar to Viper's signature edition or Lamzu's other gaming mouse, the Atlantis Mini, but the hump is much less aggressive, more balanced. When it comes to clicks, they feel really good. There is almost no pre-travel, but there is some post-travel, especially if you press towards the end of the button. Then they start to flex slightly to the side, but only if you press down really firmly, which probably is not something you will do in everyday use. Let's do a quick sound test. The clicks sound different from the Atlantis, less sharp and a bit more toned down. Scroll wheel has the same clicks and feel like Atlantis and Mini. Side buttons are still very good, not mushy at all, with very little pre-travel and normal amount of post-travel. The coating feels good. I think it's grippy enough that you shouldn't need to use the included grip tapes. Talking about the grip tapes, apart from that you will also receive additional set of feet which you can use as a replacement later on. You also get a pretty sick looking extender which has a see-through case, not sure if it's visible on the screen right now. Apart from that, there's also a sticker which you can stick on the bottom of the mouse to protect it from any dust that might get inside. That does add up to the overall weight of the mouse, but the difference isn't much. As you can see, the mouse without the sticker weighs around 45 grams, and when you add it in, the scale shows just over 47 grams, so exactly the number shown on the box. At the bottom you get two buttons. One is used to turn the mouse on or off, and the other can be used to change the sensitivity settings. Overall, the first impressions are really positive. The mouse feels light but also dense enough thanks to the fact that the cutouts are only at the bottom. And at 45 grams it's slightly lighter than my Viper signature edition. Pretty impressive. I'd say it's a great choice for anyone with smaller hands for claw gripping, and for anyone that has medium and bigger hands, and it's very good for fingertip grip, the way I'm planning to use it. There's going to be a full review up in a few days after I had some more time with the mouse, so definitely subscribe if that's something you're looking for. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Laser, and I'll see you soon.